What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and if you love jambalaya, then you have to try my one-pot jambalaya soup recipe. This is so easy to make. It has all of the flavors that you're looking for in a good classic dish. This is absolutely perfect for any time of the year and perfect for fall. I start with Holy Trinity ingredients. You have to have some bell peppers, celery, and onions. I'm using white onions, but any onions will work. For my spices, I'm using my homemade blend of Cajun seasoning, garlic, bay leaf. I have some flour to thicken the soup. Check out the description box below and I will detail all the measurements for everything I'm using. I also have some white rice. Then I'm gonna use some andouille sausage, shrimp, and then I also have some chicken. You can use any type of seafood you like in this recipe. Crab also works really well. And then I have some chicken broth. You can also use seafood broth, vegetable broth, whatever you like. You'll start with adding some olive oil to a pan. We're going to sear the chicken. I'm using a Dutch oven so that I can do this all in just one pot. Then I'm gonna add that sausage as well. And here come the spices. I'm gonna sprinkle those throughout. And you only wanna cook the chicken until it's cooked on both sides and those spices are locked in. It's gonna cook again in the soup, so you don't have to worry about making sure that the chicken is fully cooked here, but you wanna brown that sausage, brown that chicken so that we can get some flavor. From here, I'm gonna add in all of the vegetables and I'm gonna saute the veggies until they are translucent and fragrant and soft. Next, I'm adding in the garlic. Gonna give everything a good stir. And next comes in the rice. And I'm gonna get that rice coated in all of those good spices. Next, I'm gonna add in my broth. From here, you can deglaze the bottom of the pan. If you have any brown bits on the bottom of that pan, use the back of a wooden spoon to kind of scoop those up and get those flavors into the soup. So I'm gonna give everything a good stir. I'm gonna adjust my heat on the pot to high to get this to a rolling boil. And once it reaches a rolling boil, I'm going to adjust that heat to low, add in the bay leaves and place the lid on the pot. And I'm gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes, however long it takes for that rice to soften up and fully absorb, and however long it takes for that chicken to fully cook. So after the 20 minutes, I'm removing the bay leaves and I'm adding seasoned shrimp here. So you don't want to cook the shrimp for 20 minutes with the soup because shrimp cooks really quickly. It cooks in just a few minutes. So you add it at the end so you can avoid that tough, rubbery shrimp. We want these to be the perfect texture, perfect taste. I also recommend, even though this soup has a lot of spices and seasoning, I just recommend seasoning the shrimp as well, just to make sure that everything has amazing flavor. You can see this has thickened up quite a bit. If you want it to taste even a little more soupy, you can add more broth, you can add water, you can always adjust the texture to suit your taste. We like to eat this really thick. It kind of looks like grits right now. And I love serving this with toasted classic French bread. And so I'm just oiling up a cast iron skillet on medium heat. I'm gonna add some French bread there just to toast it because what is jambalaya without a side of bread, especially French bread? I love doing this in a cast iron because it gives it so much flavor. And then there you have it. This is a quick and easy meal. You can probably make this in about 35 minutes. Perfect for a weeknight meal or Sunday dinner.